Can a dirty flame sensor stop my furnace? Yes, a dirty flame sensor can shut your furnace down because it cannot confirm that the burner lit safely. A flame sensor is a small metal rod inside the furnace that checks for a flame after the burners turn on. If it gets coated with dust, rust, or a thin film, it may not see the flame even when the flame is really there. When that happens, the furnace thinks something is wrong and turns off the gas as a safety step. That is why the furnace may start, light for a few seconds, and then stop over and over again. A lot of people do not know that the problem is often not the whole furnace, just one dirty part that sends a weak signal. The sensor usually does not need to be replaced right away because many times a careful cleaning is enough. If you want to check it, turn off power to the furnace first, remove the sensor gently, and clean the metal rod with a soft cloth or very fine steel wool. After that, put it back in the same spot, because even a small misalignment can cause the same problem again. One common mistake is thinking a flame sensor problem always means the furnace is broken, when it may only need cleaning. A quick wipe can sometimes fix a lot, so do not rush to replace expensive parts. Another mistake is cleaning it too aggressively, because scratching the rod can make it work worse, so use a light touch. People also forget that bad airflow, loose wiring, or a weak gas flame can look like a bad sensor, so if cleaning does not help, the next step is to have the full ignition system checked. It is also smart to pay attention to repeated shutoffs, because the furnace is telling you the safety system is doing its job. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.